Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox on Xbox. First, head over to the Xbox store and download the free Roblox application. Make sure your Xbox console is connected to a reliable internet source for a smooth experience. Once installed, simply launch the app. You can then log in using your existing Roblox account or easily create a brand new one right there. Remember to have your favorite Xbox controller ready for seamless gameplay and navigation. It's a straightforward process to get started. Navigating Roblox on your Xbox is quite intuitive. You'll primarily use your controller's left stick to move the on-screen cursor, making selections a breeze. To confirm your choices, simply press the button. If you ever need to access the main menu, just press the View button on your controller. From there, you can easily browse through millions of games, check on your friends, and manage your inventory. It's designed to be user-friendly for all players. Once you're in, you can jump into millions of user-created games directly from the home screen. Connecting with friends is easy. Use the Xbox Party Chat feature to communicate while playing. You can invite friends to join your current game or easily hop into their active sessions. Don't forget to personalize your avatar. There are thousands of unique items available to customize your look and express your style within the Roblox universe. Enjoy playing and socializing. To truly enhance your Roblox experience, consider a few tips. Adjusting in-game settings can significantly improve both performance and visual quality. For the best multiplayer interactions and features, an Xbox Live Gold subscription is highly recommended. Always keep an eye out for Roblox app updates. They often bring new features and improvements. Finally, don't limit yourself to just one type of game. Explore the vast array of genres to discover many new favorites. Have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.